Imagine from this to this.
Welcome to Hartbeespoort Dam.
This is what we are able to build as humans.
Behind me there's a fascinating structure.
And everyone wants to know when, why, how this dam was constructed.
This is Little Paris. You have to take your loved one to a nice place like this one. Hartbeespoort Dam!
In the land of South Africa, between the hills of Magaliesberg, there is a place where water and people become one. This is a place called Hartbeespoort Dam, a dam full of life, history and purpose. The idea of the dam came a long time ago. The government wanted to help farmers to get water to grow crops, so they planned to build a big dam on the Crocodile River. The man who got the contract to build it was a contractor named G.G. Hyman and his company. The dam was officially started in 1916, but because of many delays it was finished in 1923. They worked hard through heat, dust and danger. Many workers used simple tools. Some of them they lost their lives. There were landslides. During the construction, one of the parts of the dam collapsed, which leads to delays of the building of the dam. The dam wall is 149 meters long and about 59 meters high. The dam wall was made strong to hold for about millions and millions of water. The dam has water gates. They help to control much water. This protects the land and the people from floods. The water gates were added during the construction and later were improved. Now they are like safety doors for the river. Hartbeespoort Dam became more than just a place of water. It became a place of fun and peace. Tourists come to see, families come to relax. The dam gives both life and joy. But now the dam is facing a big problem. There are green plants which are on top of the water. They grow because of dirt from factories and homes which comes to the river. These plants now covers more than half of the dam in some seasons. They make fishing and boating difficult and they kill fish if not removed. People and government are working together to clean the dam. They are removing plants and also teaching the people not to pollute with the water. If they don't take care of the water in the dam that gives them lives, the dam may lose its power. Hartbeespoort Dam is a gift. It feeds the land. It brings joy to people. Let us protect it and pass its story to the next generation.